think what's missing a lot of the time when we're trying to have conversations about race is the awareness about us all having different lived experiences. My name's Sabina McKenna and I'm a writer and curator. Often people lead with I or I feel or this is how I perceive things, but when you're talking about race and privilege and identity, you have to lead by listening. So with the workshops, I'm aiming to, introduce people to my creative career and the path I've taken toward understanding my identity and how art has shaped that. Being an artist and a writer, all of these mediums are a great way to discuss the more difficult conversations that we have. So the workshops are a distilled 1-hour snippet of that process, looking at different facets like how to have better discussions about race, how things like visual art and writing can help us communicate things about our identity with each other and share those experiences. Events like Diversity Fest are so important for students to have a place to see themselves reflected and to engage in things that represent their experiences. I remember growing up in predominantly white spaces and feeling very isolated in my identity, and especially in places like at school, institutions, even in the workplace, it can be difficult to find things that you know are going to speak to your identity and validate the things that you're going through, especially as a BIPOC minority. And I'm so honoured that I can offer my expertise as well for students to have something to participate in.